Hello guys, good afternoon, namaskar, Jai Hind, and in this superb session of how to find the area of the shaded region. Here is the first question on the screen. Please give a try to this question and let's check it out how many of you can solve this question. So this is square A, B, C, D and this is P, Q, C, R. So in this figure, what is given? In the given figure, ABCD and PQCR are the squares of side 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter. Then find the area of the green part. Yes. Now I just need your undivided attention for 5 minutes on the screen only. Okay? Listen guys. In order to find out this shaded area, what I need to do, I'm dividing this area into equal parts. The area of this part will be equal to this part. So if I am having this area, then I can easily find the shaded area with the multiplication of 2 in this area. Okay, and this area is nothing but the area of the triangle, and in order to find out the area of the triangle we need two things. Number one, the base, and number two, the height, right? So in this triangle we have the base as 6 centimeter, but we need height, and this is the height. This side is given as 8 and this side is given as 6 because this is a square of side 6 centimeter. If this is 8, this is 6, can I say this will be 2? So height of this triangle is 2 centimeter and base is 6 centimeter. Can I find this area? 1 by 2 base into 2 base into height. This is the area of this triangle. Now in order to find out this complete area of green part, we just need to multiply here by 2. Then we will get our answer. So this is the required answer. I hope you got the point. Oh, that's great. Now the next question is this. Superb question it is. What is given in this question? If area of circle is 707 square centimeter and PQ is equal to QR is equal to RS and PS is the diameter of the circle, then find the shaded area. So what is given in this question? Area of this circle is 707 centimeter square and PQ is equal to QR is equal to RS. And PS is diameter of the circle, then we need to find out the area of the shaded part. Now, normally what the students do, they will try to find out the radius of the circle first. First of all, I'm telling you what the students are generally do, right? They will try to find out the radius first of all, right? They will try to find out the radius first of all. Once they are having the radius, they will find the diameter. Okay, then they will divide this diameter in 3 equal parts. So they will process like this. Okay, if you are doing with the basics, but you need not to do this question like this. Guys, always remember one thing. Whenever you have such type of figure, always remember one thing. You know, you can do this question in just 2 seconds. You can do this question with the process think without ink. You can do this question without ink. Yes, I am working on this theme, think without ink, right? Listen, whenever you are having such type of figure, always remember one thing. Suppose this is yellow part. Sorry. Wait guys, suppose this is yellow part. Okay, and very good Sandeep, very good. And this is green part. Okay, and let this is red part. Guys, in such type of figure, always keep this in mind. All in such type of figure, this area is 1/3 of the circle, this area is 1/3 of the circle, this area is 1/3 of the circle. All right, as the area of the circle is given in the question as 707 centimeter square, and we need to find out the area of this red part, we can easily find by dividing this by 3. Yes, you can do this question in just 1 second. Right? So always remember this thing. In such type of figure, these areas are 1/3 of the complete circle. You need not to find out the radius, you need not to find out the diameter. No, you are going to appear in a competitive examination where you need to do the questions in just seconds. Okay, so I always say be an inspector by an inspector, right? I hope this point is clear to you. Oh, we'll do after 5 minutes this question. Please try this question. Yes, Venkat, each small square has area 1 square centimeter. Okay, then find out the area of the green part. So in this particular figure, each square is having 1 square centimeter area. We just need to find out the area of the green part. Yes. Wow, that's great. So this area is nothing but 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. This is half 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 of the square, half of the square, and half of the square. So the complete area is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 plus half 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 6 times. So this comes out to be 3. So total area is 12 centimeter square. I hope this question is understood to all of you. I'm giving you the next question on the similar line, and I'm expected that you will give the answer of that question. Okay, so here is the question. Each small square has area of 1 square centimeter. Then find the area of the green part. This is 1 1 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 and half. So answer is 16 and half centimeter square. I hope this is okay to all of you. Now the next question is this. You need to find out the shaded area. Please try this question and yes, give it a try. This is half circle with a diameter for 40 centimeter. Thank you, Aman. And this is the semicircle with diameter 40 centimeter. In order to find out the shaded area, we just need to subtract these two half circles from the bigger half circle. Okay, so shaded area is equal to, what is the radius of this bigger semicircle? This is nothing but 20 centimeter, right? Area of half circle is 1 by 2 pi 20 square minus area of these two semicircle. And as these two semicircles are having same radius, can I say 2 semicircle is equal to complete circle? Can I subtract complete circle from here? Yes, I can. And radius of this smaller semicircle is nothing but 10. So area of the circle will be pi 10 square. This comes out to be 300. This comes out to be 100. Sorry, 200 pi minus 100 pi. So this will give you the final answer. I hope you got the point. Option B is the right answer. So now please try this question. Very, very, very interesting question it is. Find the area of the green part. Find the area of the green part. We need to find out the area of this green part. Now, in order to find out this shaded area, what we need to do is, I'm just joining the vertices to this O point. Okay. First of all, join this point O to all the vertices, right? And guys, this is the midpoint of the side. This is the midpoint of the side. As this is the midpoint, can I say for this triangle, this is the median, and median divides the area of triangle into equal parts. That means I can say this area is equal to this area. Similarly, I can say this area is equal to this area. This area is equal to this area. This area is equal to this area. Yes, the property of median is median divides the area of triangle into equal parts. Okay. Yes, median bisect the area of the triangle. Yes. Now, from here I can say A plus B is equal to 54. B plus C is equal to 32. C plus D is equal to 24. And D plus A we need to find. This D plus A we need to find now. For this purpose, I am putting the value of D. I am putting the value of D from this equation. Value of D from this equation is 24 minus C. And I am putting the value of A from this equation. Value of A is 54 minus B. Right? Now, 448, 527 minus B plus C. And we know the value of B plus C. Value of B plus C is nothing but 32 here. Okay, just subtract this and find your answer. This is the required area. So this is very, very, very beautiful question, guys. You can say this is important for your SSC mains also. Okay. Okay, now this question is very, very, very famous question in railway exams and the SSC exams. Okay, so in such type of question, remember this thing. This is the maximum size square. Yes, this square is always the maximum size square. Always remember this thing. Okay, and this is the right angle triangle given in the question. So yes, Venkat, in case of shaded area questions, they will provide you the diagram for sure. Okay, so in such type of question, always remember this formula. The side of the maximum size square is a plus b upon is a into b upon a plus b. This is the side of the square, and we need to find out the area. We can easily find this area is nothing but this square units. So this is basically a conceptual question. Now, on the basis of this, I am giving you a question. Please try this question. Suppose you have a right angle triangle in which this side is 3 centimeter, this side is 4 centimeter, and this side is 5 centimeter, and a maximum size square is inscribed in this right angle triangle. Can you please find out the area of this square? Yes. Can you please find out the area of this square? I am waiting for your comments. Yes, please. If you have a right angle triangle with side 3, 4, 5, you need to find out the area of the maximum size square inscribed in it. Great, great. So first of all, we need to find out the side of the square, and this is nothing but 3 into 4 divided by 3 plus 4. This is 12 by 7. So area will be side square, and we have the side 12 by 7 centimeter. Can I say this is 144 by 49 centimeter square? This is the right answer. I hope you got the point. Is this? Please try this question. Fine. Listen guys, what is given in this question? In the given figure, PQRS is a square whose side is 8 centimeter. Okay. The side of this square is 8 centimeter. Okay. And PQS, QPR are two quadrants. Guys, this is first quadrant by taking the radius 8 centimeter. Hi Charu, welcome. This is first quadrant, and this is the center of the quadrant, and this is second quadrant at this center by taking 8 as radius according to question. A circle is placed touching both the quadrants and square as shown in the figure. Okay, what is the area of the circle? Basically, we need to find out this area of the circle. Guys, we need to find out the area of this circle. This question is from SSC Mains 2017 examination. This is very beautiful question. Guys, in order to find out the area of this small circle, we just need the radius of this circle. Once we are having the radius of this circle, then we are done. Okay, fine. I'm taking the radius of this smaller circle as r. Okay, as r. As this side is 8 centimeter, can I say from here to here, this length will be 8 minus r? Yes or no? Because this complete length is 8 and this is R, can I say this will be 8 minus R? You all are agree with this point or not? Agreed na? Okay, thank you, thank you. If this side is 8 centimeter and due to symmetricity, can I say this is 4 centimeter? Yes, due to symmetricity, this will bisect the side for sure. Now, joining this vertices with the center of the small circle. And wait. This is R. Now, I am vertices of the square with the center of the small circle. This comes out, this is nothing but radius of the small circle, and this is nothing but the radius of the square. Now, applying the Pythagoras theorem in this triangle. Now, applying the Pythagoras theorem in this triangle. 8 plus R square is equal to 4 square plus 8 minus R square. This will give you 64 R square plus 16R. 4 4 is 16. 64 plus R square minus 16R. So this will cancel out. 32R is equal to 16. This will give you R as 1 by 2 centimeter. So radius of the smaller circle is 1 by 2 centimeter. Now we can easily find the area of small circle. This is pi R square, and this comes out to be 11 by 14 centimeter square. This is very beautiful question. Okay, this question is in your homework, guys. Okay, this question is in your homework. Yes, answer is of this question is 19 centimeter square. Right? This question is in your homework. This is the semicircle by taking AB as diameter, and this is the semicircle by taking AC as diameter, and this is the semicircle by taking BC as diameter. Right? So this is in your homework. Answer is 19 centimeter square, and also this question is in your homework. Answer is 16 centimeter square. Right? By assuming this as the center, this is the square. By assuming CD as diameter, this is the semicircle. By assuming this BC as diameter, this is the semicircle. Similarly, this is the semicircle, this is the semicircle. We need to find out the area of the shaded part. So answer is 16 centimeter square. This is in your homework. I will discuss in the upcoming classes. Don't worry. Just give it a try first.